Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and iBoard. And in today's video, we will design this part using solid modeling. And here we have some views. This is my front view, top view, and the side view. We have all these three views, and one isometric is there. So first, we will understand which are those views. This is the arrow, it's donate as a front, so this is my front view. Here we can see first I will start with this front view, and we will extrude this 40, create this front portion and extrude it to 40. Then I will cut this portion and I will define some chamfer over here, and then extend this up to 40 and this 25. That's all it will create with this two views. So let's start and keep subscribe our channel. So friends, let's start with this ZX plane and define the X direction and orient the view, and we will start from this origin. So start a line from here, and this is 72, so click around 72 and again thickness 28 and click here and click and some a little bit up and here and go down and match to this point. Now I will dimension this, select this rapid, and this is 72, change it to 72, and this value double click, this is 28 millimeter long, and this value is 84, and close. Let's define the radius, this as 32, and this is smaller radius is there. Now double click this or define this height as 32 and 32. This is 32 and upper, that is 15. The first I will define this length, double click here, and this value is 32, change it to 32 and close, and distance between these two lines is also 32 and define this. Now it's okay. Now change this value to 32 and change this to 15. And if you have any queries regarding these drawings and all, you can text me, comment me, I will sure reply you. I will clear all your doubts. And here we have radius of 12, so draw a circle, click and trim, and see sketch is fully constrained. Let's see what is the distance is 24, absolutely. This is 12 cut radius, this is radius of 12 and the 14 is the diameter. And now convert this line as a reference. So my figure is as shown as in front view. Just finish this and extrude this hole connected in the reverse direction, and the height is 40, to change this to 40 and close. Now I will take this chamfer, and chamfer is 25 and one is 12 and second distance is 25, and click over this edge. So click, now it's okay. 12 and 25, this is chamfering value, and this time I want just half of this, I don't need this whole portion. So one cut, I needed one more cut here. So click over this face and draw a rectangle. Click. Now dimension this. This is 16, the gap is 16 and 8 from the top. So let's drag this and dimension it. This value is 8. Close and finish. Extrude and cut this 8 millimeter inside. So flip the direction and subtract and OK. Hide this sketch. And first I want to extrude this a little bit more inside. So just come over this face and select. Here I will take this project curve, project this curve. OK, and close this. This is my face. What I want to cut this, extrude this whole curve, and this is actually this is 55, and before this we have to create some more. This length is 55 and after that is 25. So first we have to extrude this up to this length, then only it will come. Just check this portion, this 52, after the 52 it is 55 long. Okay, so I will create a sketch over this and click. Just draw a line straight and I will project this curve. Single curve. This is my single curve and match. Trim. Close. Finish this. So first I will extrude this curve reverse direction. 40 already we have and we need 15 more, and it will be unite with the previous body. So this is something like, and select this and 15 and again it is 25. So type minus 25. No, just add 15 plus 25 is 40. So this will come like this, and just keep it as none, and we are expecting this as 55 but total length is 80. So double click this portion, double click over this, and we have 40 and plus 40, this become 80. And our back portion, it is almost done. We have to remove this. So extrude and select all this and remove from the previous body and click OK. So here we are. So my body is like this, and we have one more shortcut if you don't want to cut with this. So we have this move face. Select this face. I have already discussed about this command. These all are synchronous modeling, and we have already discussed, and so many tutorials I have already uploaded regarding this. You can see and follow that. So hope you like this, and If you like this, please hit the subscribe button and share this video. So thank you for watching and keep subscribe our channel. Thank you.